Díomh is Mrs. Siobhan. Hi, I'm Siobhan from Bite Size Irish, and today let's learn some fitness vocabulary. Here are some words you may use when speaking of your home fitness exercises or when going to the gym. A workout in Irish is bauta traenála. Bauta traenála. Or you could also say it as dress traenála. Dress traenála. A push-up or press-up in Irish is brú aníos. Brú aníos. He did 20 push-ups. Rinne sé fiche brú aníos. Rinne sé fiche brú aníos. A pull-up is tarraingt sús. Tarraingt sús. He did 20 pull-ups. Rinne sé fiche tarraingt sús. Rinne sé fiche tarraingt sús. Stretch is sína. To do stretches, tú héine hína. Literally, to stretch yourself. Tú héin or féin a hína. A crunch or a sit-up is sí an ear. Sí an ear. How many crunches or sit-ups can you do? Cé bhéad sí an ear gur féidir leat a dhéanamh? Cé bhéad sí an ear gur féidir leat a dhéanamh? A squat is gróige. Gróige. They did 30 squats. Rinne siad tríocha gróige. Rinne siad tríocha gróige. If you'd like to know more about how to improve your Irish, download our 10 secrets for practicing Irish every day at the link in the description box below. Slán go fóill.